Students, in this lecture we are going to discuss the relationship between efficiency, mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. We know that input work is done by the effort and output work is done by the load. And also you know that work is the product of force and displacement. So what should be the input work or work input? That is effort into displacement of effort. If E represents effort and D represent the displacement of the point where effort applied, then work input equal to E into D. Similarly, output work is done by the load. So output work equal to load into displacement of load. If the displacement of the point of load is dl, then output work is L into dl. Now the definition of efficiency is, it is the ratio of output work to input work. So we can write efficiency represented by eta equal to work output by work input. Now substitute the value of work output and work input in this equation. So it is load into dl by effort into d, which can be written as L by E into dl by d. So L by E into dl by d can be written as reciprocal of d by dl. Now load by effort is mechanical advantage and d by dl, that is called velocity ratio. Hence we say efficiency equal to mechanical advantage by velocity ratio, or you can say mechanical advantage equal to velocity ratio into efficiency. For an ideal machine, work output equal to work input, so efficiency equal to 1 and percentage efficiency is 100%. As a result, for an ideal machine, mechanical advantage equal to velocity ratio. In an actual machine, work output is less than work input, so mechanical advantage is less than velocity ratio. So efficiency less than 1 due to the loss of energy in overcoming the force of friction, etc. Now let us discuss a type of simple machine called levers. What is lever? A lever is a rigid bar, straight or bent, which is capable of turning about a fixed point. And this fixed point is fulcrum. So we say the fixed point about which the lever turns is called its fulcrum. Here is a type of lever in which left side effort applied, right side load applied, and this is the fulcrum. Distance between point of effort and fulcrum is effort arm. Distance between load point and fulcrum is called load arm. Now in equilibrium, we apply the principle of moment, which states that anti-clockwise moment of effort about the fulcrum equal to clockwise moment of load about the fulcrum. So effort is E and effort arm is EF say, load is L and load arm is LF say. So EF by LF is equal to L by E, which is equal to mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage is EF by LF, which is effort arm by load arm. So mathematically we can say that the mechanical advantage of a lever is effort arm by load arm, which is the mathematical form of the law of lever.